هو
Yeah, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Sumit.
So, guys, let's begin now. So, guys, now let us begin this. So now I'm using it. ADF underscore Databricks integration. ADF and ADB integration. Okay. So today we are going to see how the Azure Data Factory is integrated with the Azure Databricks here. Okay. Okay. So I'm just giving you this is the title, or else I can give the another way of title. The title is integration. Guys, integration of ADF with Databricks with the Databricks notebook. Okay, guys, everyone. So now what we will do is, first of all, I will start up the services. Then we'll just go ahead, everyone. So guys, I'm just starting up. So just guys, I'm starting up all the sessions now. So guys, I'm starting up the ADF. So the next one is, already the ADF is here. I will start up the ADB also, that is Azure Databricks. So now I'm starting the Azure Databricks. Okay, guys, just 1 minute. Give me 5 minutes time. I'll be back.
Hi, Simi. You there?
Okay, guys, sorry, no. So let's begin here. Yeah, am I audible, everyone?
Yes,
So,
Samir.
yeah, let's begin with the integration of ADF with the Azure Databricks notebook. So now, first of all, when we talk about the Azure Databricks, okay, so I'll tell you the Azure Databricks, all of you, how does it works? Azure Databricks. I'll tell you how does it works basically. The Azure Databricks is nothing but might be some of you are known to this because you might be attending the ADB as well. So now guys, can you see the Azure Databricks is nothing but first of all you will have a resource group. The entire session, everything will be there in the resource group. So one Databricks session can have many resource groups, and in the same way, one resource group can be can have what is that? Multiple workspaces. So what do you mean by workspace, guys? Workspace is a very, the essential feature of the Azure Databricks. So when you talk about the workspace, guys, see, this is a this is a link we are all joining it. So this is what? This is Zoom link. Am I right? So, so we have what is that? This Zoom link is allowing all of us to attend at a particular time. Okay, am I right or not? From different locations. From different locations. We all are from different locations. We are able to connect it. Okay, guys, we are able to we are able to connect it at a particular time. We are able to connect it at a particular time. Yes, we are able to connect it at a particular time. We are able to connect it at a particular time, but from different locations by using a Zoom link. So Zoom link is allowing all of us or multiple users to work in a single session. Okay. So in the same way, here also workspace is like a Zoom link, which allows multiple users, one data scientist, one data engineer, okay, one data scientist, one data engineer, and as well as the one data scientist, one data engineer, and various people can work into the single session without changing the current session, without changing the current session. That is called the workspace. In the same way, we have the clusters, guys. So what do you mean? The clusters. So here you have what's that cluster. So workspace is the collection of one or more cluster. So that means a workspace is the collection of multiple clusters. Am I right? So this is a Zoom which is providing multiple links or not. For multiple batches, they have multiple links. Am I right? Everyone. For multiple batches, they have the multiple links. So that is called as what? Yes, for multiple batches, they have the multiple links. So for that, this is called as what? Cluster. And whereas the next one you have what is that? Guys, one cluster can have what is it? Multiple notebooks. So notebooks are nothing but what? In ADF, you will have a pipeline. Am I right? In ADF, you have a pipeline, but here you will have notebooks. So there will be no pipelines here in the ADB, Azure Databricks. Okay. So instead of the pipeline, here you will have a notebook. So notebook is nothing but the user interface book, UI book, you can say. What is that? UI book, user interface book, where the user can write the code using the Azure Databricks. Using what is that? Azure Databricks. So guys, I'm audible.
Yes, Samir.
Okay. So now let's go ahead and see how it is. Okay. So I'm starting up the session now. So I'll start up the Azure Databricks session because the Databricks session has all these features. So first, anyways, ADF means what? Simply click on the create here and we can start up. Okay. So anyways, first of all, I will do one thing. More okay. Prior to this, what I will do, I will create a resource group first. Open this. Click on the create. And now use it here. What is it? Let's use it here. The name called what? Durga Soft RG means resource group. Click on the review and click on the create. So can you see here? So this is ready. So now guys, just go and create the brick session now. Can you see here? So let's start the resource, select the resource group here. So guys, so I'm opening this Databricks once again. So use this Azure Databricks. Click on the create tab. I'm creating the ADB session, guys. Select it here. You got it. Durga Soft RG. And now I'm giving the workspace name. So for the workspace name, I'm using Durga Soft Workspace and the pricing tier. So this is anyways the free trial version. So I'm using the free trial version. That's it. And now click on the review and click on the create. So guys, this is fine now. So this deployment of workspace will take some time. Meanwhile, I will create the data factory as well. So I'm using the same resource group here. Click on the new data factory and now select it here and now use it here. Instance ADF. That's it. Okay. This is the name I want to use it. Instance ADF with instance ADF with ADB session. So can you see? That's it, guys. Click on the create tab. Now, anyways, the data factory is created. And here you have a Azure Databricks. So now guys, the data factory is ready. Go to this, and even the data bricks, this is also ready. Go to the resource. Now guys, launch it. Launch the workspace now. So here we launch the workspace, and here what we do, we launch the studio. Am I right? Yeah, am I audible, guys?
Yes, Amit.
Okay. So now click on the expand tab. Expand it. So anyways, so let's go to this Azure data bricks session now. So now guys, from the left to blade, this is called a left to blade. Click on the compute. Now guys, I'm creating the cluster. So guys, this is the cluster, can you see here? Everyone, this is the cluster thing. That is the cluster how we created in Azure Databricks. So can you see here? Um, so we are going to create the cluster called all-purpose cluster. All-purpose, the name it itself says that it can be created for all the things. All-purpose cluster is also called as what? Interactive cluster. So I'm giving the name here for the cluster. Cluster, all of you, ADB. What's that? Cluster ADB. And now I'm just, because this is a free trial version, it allows only the single node to create it. It won't allow the standard. So I'm using the single node cluster. That's it. And click on the create. That's it. Okay, guys. So this will take 5 minutes, 2 to 5 minutes time. So we have to wait for this. Creating. So this will take some time to create. So let's wait for this. Now this is ready, guys. So now the next one is, once it is created, the cluster is ready. So can you see it? Right means the cluster is running now. It's in active mode. So on upon the cluster, you have to create a notebook. So for that, the left blade click on new and now click on the notebook. This is very simple. Notebook will be created in couple of seconds. So guys, this is the notebook. Now guys, here you have a notebook. So the notebook is ready and I'm just changing the name of the notebook. So can you see? Cart underscore. Okay. I can use card load type. So basically, what is my you have a card. So card load type means what? This is can you say claims analysis research database. Okay, I can say claims analysis reporting database, guys. Claims analysis reporting database. So this is a type of one of the domain name where we have it in the insurance. Okay, insurance project. So I'm just using this one, claims analysis, and what is it, reporting database. Okay, so guys, everything is ready here. The cluster is ready. Everything is running fine. Okay, guys. So guys, I'm just removing it. Now let's start up here. So now today we are going to see the load type here. So what is the load types you have it? You have two type of load, that is called as a incremental load and full load. So this particular example we are going to apply it now. So before that, okay, before that what I will do is I will define the parameters here. So how can we define the parameters? So how can we define these parameters in ADB? So the parameters we can define it here by using dbutils dot widgets. So dot text, that means I wanted to create the text widget. So those are already done this ADB, must be knowing this. So I'm using that, creating the text widget, guys. So that is called as a parameter. Okay. So I'm using load underscore type. Type means what? Load underscore type. I'm creating it, everyone. And in the same way, I want to create one more parameter. Okay. So I want to create one more parameter with a name called what is it? Can you see here? So I wanted to use it here. Load type is what is it? Process underscore date. So, so guys, can you see here? I'm using load type, and now I'm using it a comma here after this, and now I'm using this, and now can you see here? That's it. So I want what is it? DB utils text widget where load underscore type is the first one, and the value I'm just giving it here normally. So under the double quotes, leaving it as it is. So guys, let's run this now. Okay, guys, so let's allow this. So I wanted to just, can you see here? We are able to, can you see here? These two are created. These are called as what? Text widgets. Text widget. These are called as what? Text widget. These are called as what? Text widgets. These are called as what? Text widgets. Now, guys, can you see here? This is nothing but the, can you see here? You have it here, everyone. So load type and process date. You have what's it? Load type and process date. These two are created here. Am I right? These two are created here. Okay, guys, everyone. These two are created. So now what I wanted to do, I wanted to enter the value here. That is called as, can you see here? I'm using what's it? History. History. So whatever, can you see here? The value I'm entering it here, that value I want to receive it and store it in a variable. So for that I am using 2023 slash 0 5 slash history means past data, na? Yes, guys. And now I'm using 09. Okay. Okay, instead of 5, I can give it here some date as 8. 8 is also 9. Okay, same. Or else I can give the same month. Ninth month also can give it. So this I wanted to. Can you see here? This I wanted to. Whatever the value I'm giving it here, this value I want to receive it and store it in the form of a variable. So for that I'm using it. Can you see here? dbutils dot. I'm using dbutils dot widgets dot get. So I'm using what's it? Can you see here? Load underscore type. So load underscore type, I'm using it. Can you see here? So now can you see here? I want to create a variable type here. So the variable type is L underscore type is equal to L underscore type is equal to, this is the thing we want. Okay. Then again, I want to create one more L underscore load type. So again, I want, what does it tell me now? I want P underscore rate, that is processing rate, is equal to dbutils dbutils dot widgets dot get. So I'm using process underscore date. So now guys, I'm just using it. This is fine now. Now for testing purpose, just for testing purpose, print uh, print uh, print of L underscore type print process, or I can say P underscore date. That's it guys, can you see here everyone? So that's it guys, let's run this now. See, now you'll get it. History and this is the date. Am I right everyone? Following or not everyone?
Yes, Samir, we are following.
Okay, so now you got it. Now guys, what I'm doing is further to this everyone. So can you see here? I'm just trying to this is that fine everything. Now I'll try to read the data. So click on this. Can you see here? Can you see here? So go to this catalog, or else what I'll do is, can you see here? Click on the catalog, and now I'll get the data from the external source into the can you see here? Database. So for that, can you see here? Click on add data. So from the left blade, click on catalog, click on add data, everyone. Add file. Now get the file from the local drive. Can you see here? So can you see here? So what is it I wanted to, okay, anyway, so what I'll do is here, everyone. So can you see here, guys, if I go to the catalog, so can you see here? I wanted to get this file. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to get the data from here to what is that? DBFS. But here, can you see? There is no DBFS system. This will be by default deactive. So we will activate the DBFS system. For this, click on this and use it here, everyone. Admin settings. So here we'll go to the workspace settings and now allow the browser. DBFS browser is disabled here. Just open this. So just activate it. So once it is, activated, you have to refresh it for making it in working use. So refresh it. Now it will be available. Now here you have what's it? Browser DBFS. Fine, everyone. And now, guys. So now tell me, I'm use it. Just upload the data. Go to the catalog now. Now go to the browser. Now I'm go to the file. Go to the tables. That's it, guys. The data is here. So now you click on the upload and upload some file. Some file you can upload it. So I'm just using it, upload the file. So I'm uploading the file called employees info. I'm uploading the file called what? Employees info. Select it here, employees info. And now guys, copy the physical path. That means this file is uploaded onto this particular location. So select it here and click on done. And now that's it guys. So it's ready. So just hold this in same data physical path here. That's it. Okay. So now I can use what? This is the thing we have it. Now just go back to the Databricks. And now again go to the recents. Go to the notebook directly because every program we will be making out in the notebook only. So how to read the data from the file? Let us see it now. So click, can you see here what I'm doing? I'm reading the data from the file and creating a data frame. Creating a data frame. Data frame is nothing but what? A table. A table in Apache Spark is called as what? Data frame. A table in the Apache Spark is called as a data frame. Okay. So guys, a table in the Apache Spark, we call it as what? A data frame. A data frame. Okay. So let's go ahead and check here, everyone. So I'm using it. So guys, file path I'm giving it src underscore path is equal to I'm just pasting the physical path whatever you have copied. Then guys, after this I wanted to create df dot spark. Df is equal to spark dot tell me now, read dot format csv. Am I right, everyone? Then use dot option header comma true dot option. So guys, I'm using the dot option and using infer schema. Infer schema means what? Choose the data type as per the file only. Infer schema comma true. That's it. Comma here dot load src underscore path. So df dot show. Show means what? Displayed. That's it. Nothing else. So now guys, I'm just running this. See? Now see how many records are loaded into the data frame. Just go and check here, everyone. So guys, these are records. So, but I don't know how many records. So how to know the records, number of records to find it out? Use count.
Count.
Count the number of, yes, count the number of records in data frame. So how to count it? Df dot count, all of you use df dot count. That's it. So just run this now. So 15 records are there. How many? Huh? Everyone, how many records? 15 records. So guys, here we have it. What's it? So can you see here? I have, what is that? 15 records are there. How many records? 15 records are there. So can you see here? The logic here is that. So if it is, can you see here? I'm using the what is that? Load type. As per the load type, I wanted to use this particular file. So that means here I want, what is it? Tell me now. Load type. So can you see here? We have two load types. What is it? What is it? History. We have two type of load. What is it? Incremental load and, just tell me, incremental load will be there. Okay. So, and again, we have what's it, full load. So anyways, I'm using it if condition I'm using, if L underscore type, can you see here? If L underscore type dot upper, that means converted to the uppercase, equal to, that should be equal to, what is that? History. I'm writing it history here. If you don't use, if you can also use the lowercase, doesn't matter here, okay? So is what? So this is the Python if condition I'm using. If L dot type, L underscore type dot upper is equal to history. So history is nothing but always what? Override, guys. History means what? Overwrite. History means what? Overwrite. If already the records are there, just overwrite those records. Don't add it. So if at all I'm running a process now, what happens here? 15 records are there. More 15 records will come, but this will overwrite the previous one. So only this data frame will have only 15 records only. Okay. Now I'm using what's it? DF dot write dot mode. So I'm using the mode as what? Overwrite. Overwrite. What should I'm using? Overwrite. That means existing data will be overwritten with a new data. Okay. Existing data will be overwritten with the existing data. New data will be overwritten with the existing data. So for dot format dot CSV. So I want a CSV here. Again, use what? Dot option. Dot option. Header, comma, true. So here I'm using what? Df dot write dot mode. Mode is overwrite. Dot format CSV dot option. So if at all you want to write the data to the file, you have to save it. So save it where? So I wanted to save it to the file here. So can you see here? Same path I want to write the data here. I want to create output as a one folder. So click on what's it? Output. So within the output folder, I want to write the data here. That's it. So can you share? You can also write it here. How many records are written? Okay. So I am for how many records are written, you can just print it at the time of execution of this. I'm using dbutils dot notebook dot exit. While exit the execution of the notebook, guys, everyone. So I want to write the contents, how many records are loaded, etc. Exit is what? Df dot count. All of you. Use it here, count. Hmm? Can you see here? Df dot count. So that's it now. See here, everyone. I'm just running this. Notebook exited with how many records here? Yes, guys? 15 records. Am I right? So go to this, can you see here? Data. Go to this one. Data is here. Or I think it's catalog. Go to the data. So go to the, can you see here? output. You have output directory here. No? Under the output directory, you have the data is written here like this. Okay. All right. That's it, guys. This is the data it's written already. Okay. So can you see here, the Databricks always writes the data in the type of a file that is which always starts from the part file. These are some log details of the same. Okay. So that's it, guys. Just a minute, guys. Give me 1 second. I'll inform the other batch people to stop. Okay, guys. So let's gear. Okay. So guys, this is nothing but the thing we have it. If you have the load type as incremental. So here, if you have the load type as history means what? Overwrite now always. So if the load type is incremental, so what will you do? So for that, let us use it here. The another if statement. If the load type is other than history, history means what? Overwrite it. Am I right? So now I'm using it. So I can just write a comment line and here I can give you some description for this. Guys, everyone, load type can you see I'm using what's it? Load type, all of you, load type incremental. Load type is incremental. Okay, incremental. So and then use what's it? Df dot write dot Mode is what? Append I want. Mode I want, what is it? Append. So as append means what? Adding. Add it to the existing data. That's it. Add it to the existing data. So dot format. Then I'm using the CSV dot option. Header, comma true. Dot save. So use it here. Can you see it? So I'm using it here again. How to put. So whenever you are using the there is can you see here? Append mode you are using it. So you have to use what's that? Can you see here? Can you okay. So can you see here? What it will do is anyways. So anyways, I will just create a folder here, everyone. Just a minute. I'll create a folder here. Some folder. I want like this. Can you see here? 2023. So here I want what is the date? Tell me now. 0809. Can you see here? I want anyways, I'll just put the control here. And now guys, I'm just giving you a clear picture how does it works exactly. So this is for the 9th day, and let us give it is a 10th day. Am I right? 10th day of September. Sorry, August. 10th day of what? 11th day of what? August. And then use what's the 12th day of August, and use what's the 13th day of August. Likewise, the same file I'm copying it. Can you see here? On different dates. Can you see here? So here, can you see? Now do one thing now. Now the same file I'm copying it. So now guys, I'm using it here, paste it. So I wanted to perform the history load for this file on this date. Can you see it? So can you see it? I'm just using it here. Slash, paste it. So here, tell me now. Just use it here. Paste it here. That's it, guys. Here you have it. Can you see here? Now on the first day, that is nothing but on the 2023 08 and 09. That means on the 9th day of August 2023, I want to perform the type of load as the history. History means what, guys? History means what? Tell me now. History load means what? It's overwrite or it's normal overwrite. Am I right? If already you have a records, that means you will get only how many records here? 15 records, because this is the overwrite. Am I right? Only 15 records. Am I right? Now, guys, 15 records will be loaded. If now I'm using it incremental, on the other day, that is nothing but I'm using incremental. Incremental. So incremental load I'm using it. Tell me now how many records? Incremental means what? Guys, incremental load means what? Adding it, appending it. Am I right? Hello? Following or not, guys, everyone? Hello?
Yes, Samir.
Okay, so now incremental load is nothing but adding. So now here how many records are added? 15 are already available. Guys, 15 are already available. So that means to the 15, I'm adding more 50. That is, 15 are already there. I want to add one more 15 will be added. So it will be 30 records. Am I right? It will be 30 records. That's it. Now, guys, again. So can you see again on the next day? That is, I wanted to use it here, incremental load only. So tell me now, can you see incremental load? So in the real time, the same way happens. Already this is having what 30 records. But if I use the same incremental load on the next day, tell me now what would the number of records you will have it in this file? What would be the number of records you will have it, guys? Tell me now. 45. Again, more 15 will be added. Am I right? Now again the next day, if I am using the type of load here, type of load as the history. So history. So tell me now, can you see the number of records again will be what? 15 only, the original record. So whatever the duplicates you have it will remove it. So got it, everyone? Yes, everyone? Got it, everyone? So are you clear with this incremental load and history load, guys? History means overwriting. Incremental load means adding. Am I right? Hello?
Yes, Samir.
So that's it now. I'm using it here. So here I'm writing it. Next one. So I'm using it. DB utils. I'm just creating some directories here. DB utils dot fs dot mkdirs. Mkdirs. Okay. Now I wanted to paste the physical path, whatever you have it. I want to create like this. So can you see here? I want like this. So just create it here. I want some, okay. So now I'm just creating the directory here, everyone. Just create a directory. So paste it here. This is the directory I want to create it. Fine, everyone. Yes, guys. All of you. So this is 9th. In the same way, I want the copy. Just copy and change it here. So what is the date you have to tell me now? Here I want as what? Nah, guys. 10th. Here I want it as what? 11th. And again I want it as what? 12th. Yes, everyone is okay. So that's it. These are the things we have it right now. And now just run this. See here, true. So go here. Can you see here? Go to the catalogs and go to the DBFS. File stores. Can you see here? 2023 is there. Under this 08 is there. Under this can 09, 10, 11, 12. Am I right, everyone? That means the month is same, the dates are different. Am I right?
Yes, Samir.
Now we have to upload the data into this one. So let's try to upload the data into this, everyone. So upload it. So put the control. So upload it. So guys, that's it now. Browse it. Same file I'm using, uploading it. Okay. Select it. That's it. Click on done. Now, guys, upload it. Upload it now. Same file I'm uploading in all it. Done now. And now I'm uploading the data. Browse. Now, guys, that's it now. It's running now. That's it. I have uploaded the data. That's fine now. Everybody. Hmm? Now, guys, that's it now. Everyone, can you see here? I'm just going to the notebook now. Everyone, recents. Go to the notebook. And now once the directories are already created, now I will comment it. Why? Because again, if I run all this, what happens is uh, this will be again recreated. So to avoid that, I'm just a minute, guys. 1 minute, 5 minutes. I'll be back. Just wait. Everyone. Okay, guys. Sorry. So I'm back now. So let's begin the process now. Let's continue it. So now, okay. So everything is ready. Now here I have, what is that? Can you see? Just come back, come down, everyone. And here you have, what's it? I'll use it here. SRC underscore, what is that? You have it. SRC path. Everything is fine. But here, what is it? What instead of this employees, I will use some other, uh, some as of now, because I wanted to use some concatenation in this thing. So plus process underscore date, process underscore data. Okay, process underscore data will have it. Okay. So let's do one thing. Let's run this. So let's see here, it's working or not. So guys, here it's throwing error. Why this error, guys? P underscore date, na? I think so. Huh? Not the process date. It's P underscore date. Am I right? It's a P underscore date, guys. That means what the date you are entering into this, we are storing into the variable called P underscore date. So that use. Now see. Now see.
It should be P underscore date, Samir. You have written P underscore data.
Date. Yes. That's the reason it's not. Now it's fine. So run this. Got it now? Still the path not found, it says. What is the problem? Sorry. So here you have to use it out of this. It has to end here. Now you the concatenation will work. Tell me what is the problem? Path does not. So SRC path file store path, and then you have, what's it? P underscore date. P underscore date. So history, it's working now. SRC path. Count also we have used it. Okay, count also we have used it. So can you see here? Does not exist, it says. The table file 2023-09-09 is not existing. File path does not exist. Am I right? So just go here. Okay. What is the data I have used it here? Hello? Just a minute. Just a minute. What is the glitch? I will just check it. So 23/0909. It's not available, it says. Am I right? So slash It's true. Now, when this is done, SRC path. Path from where it is coming? Ah, sorry guys, I'm really sorry. The date, whatever you have given, it's not matching here. Am I right? So instead of this, I will use it as 08. Am I right? Fine now? Hello. So let's
Yes,
run this now. Yeah, let's run this now. Now I think it should come. Got it, everyone? Hello?
yes, sir.
That's it now. So here, can you see? So can you see here? Here you have 15 records. If you want to just see here, see, you've got 15. Now the date is appended here. Okay, it's appended. So now what I will do is, this is nothing but what? The load type is history. Okay, this is nothing but what? Load type is history. Okay. Yeah. EFL underscore history. Yeah. And now the next one. Now, guys, what I will do is,
This is we are doing for the incremental, right?
yeah. Uh, can you see here? Notebook executed with 15 records. Am I right? This is executed. The previous, whatever we have done it is for history record. It is for what is it? History record. Okay. History record. History means overwriting. Now, history means what? Overwriting. Now we'll create that. Now we'll create it. What's it? Instead of history, now we'll create it as what? Incremented. That is increment is what? Adding. So now, can you see notebook exited at can you see here? I'll do one thing now. I'll write it. History load is completed. Can you see here? Number of records. Number of records written. Written count is so I want what's it? Instead of this one, I'll just use it there. So use it here. df dot count. Am I right? So let's do one thing now. str. I'll use the function called str of string function. Okay. Now str of comma. Use a comma here. Comma, guys, everyone. Comma str of one bracket, two brackets, one more bracket. Right now, fine, everyone. So use it here, plus symbol. Hmm? Now guys, I'll write. Now I'll use it. Can you see it? Notebook exited. History load is completed. Number of records written count is what? 15. Got it now? Yes, guys, everyone? Hello?
Yes.
So what you're doing is this entire string is there, and df it is converting. It is typecasting. I'm just doing a typecasting here, converting this one into a string, and now these both are being concatenated, string concatenated, and it's giving you 15 as the one. Hmm? Okay. So anyway, this is ready now. That's it. Now next one. In this case, how you want to write it is for incremental. Thus, the story of the history is ready now. So in this case, what is that you have to tell me now? Is everything fine? Load type. Take another cell. Data is already loaded, guys. Can you see here? If the data is loaded to this output path, so for that we have to read it. So for that, I'm writing it. Data frame variable, I'm using it. Df underscore out underscore, or out is equal to spark read dot format. What's the format I want? CSV. And then use it here as what? Dot option. Then use header, all of you. Header comma true. Dot save, everyone. And use it here the file path. What's the file path? So use the file path, everyone. Sorry. So I'm using the file path. Nothing else is needed here. So using the output directly, I'm using the output. Folder name. Finished?
So Samir, this we called it as retrofits, right?
Yes. So now dot load, guys, not dot save. They have to use it dot load. That's it, load. Okay. So here I want what? The same thing I wanted to copy it. The last line, guys. The last line I wanted to copy and paste it here. So here I want what's it? Incremental load is completed. Incremental load is completed. CREMUTL. Incremental load is completed. The return of number of record written count is same. Fine, everyone? Hello? Is it fine? So here I'm going to use it. You can record count, you can df underscore out. You can use it from this one. Once it is completed, guys, I want to make a testing here. So guys, once again, thoroughly understand what I have done. Can you see here? I have created two parameters here, everyone. two parameters I have created here. So that is the using the widgets, I've created two parameters, load underscore type and process underscore date. And this, whatever the value you have it, that I wanted to store in the form of a variable. So for that, L underscore type, P underscore date I have created. Then I have created the source, that is path by reading the data. And for that, I have stored clear, okay, the files. And I have loaded one file in multiple folders. Okay. So that I'm just getting it here by using by using this concatenation. And then I'm using what's it, df is equal to spark dot read dot format, then dot show everything. It's ready now. And now whenever you enter the data, initial df dot count is what, this one. And now here I'm using the two things. What is that? The first one is the history load. And where can you see a history means overwritten already. If the data is there, the data will be overwritten with the new data. And incremental is that where whatever the existing data you have it, that will be added to the existing one. Okay. So this is nothing but the script of the incremental, and the above one is the script of the history. So just it will work based on the value you enter it here. Okay. So now that's it. Now guys, once the everything is ready here, okay. Now load type is history, and now I want, what is it? Instead of 9th, I'll give it 10th here. Okay, fine, everyone. So the on January, that is nothing but on, what is that you have, 10th of August 2023. It's a, can you see here? If you have a history means what? History means what? Overwrite mode, na everyone. So now guys, I'm running this. Can you see here? All cells, you can execute what's that? All cells here. Can you see here? If condition code will execute or else condition code will execute? Tell me now. Guys, which code will execute? This one or this one? If I'm using history as the load. Hello?
The first one.
Yes. So click on the run all. Yes. See, I'm running all the cells, but only, can you see? This is skipped because it's a history here. This is skipped, and now it is executed, and the count is 15. Am I right now? This is also skipped. Am I right? Now what I will do is on 11th, I will make it here as an incremental. What is it? I'll make it. Tell me now, guys.
Incremental.
Am I right? And now let us run all the cells. See which one will be. Can you see? Incremental load is completed and number of count records is 30. Am I right? Hello. Fine now?
So history also ran, I think.
Huh? No, it is skipped. Automatically skipped. Command skipped. It's not giving it. It does not mean that it's happened. Can you see it? Here you have it skipped. Can you see here? So that's it now. Again, if I wanted to make it off on the 12th is also there. 12th is there. So can you see here? Clear all cells output. I want to clear all cells output. Output, so I wanted to remove it. Okay. And now run all cells. Can you see here? Everyone see here. What is the count now? Now it is added or not to the existing one, guys? Hello. Respond it, everyone, please.
Yes.
And now if I am using the, instead of this history, I'm using a history here. Now, clear all cells output. Clear all the cells output now. And now rerun the process now. Can you see here? These are skipped and this is executed. Overwriting. You got this one. Am I right? Clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is how it's going to work now. Okay. Okay, guys. So that's it now. So that's it. This is fine now. Everything is ready now. Okay. Things are ready now. Sorry. So guys, on it. So what is the date today? 23rd now, everyone. That's it, guys. So the entire, the script is ready. Now go to this. Now this I wanted to run it into the Azure Data Factory. Where I want to run? Tell me now. ADF. I want to
ADF.
run in what? ADF. So for that is the logic here. So just go to this. Now tell me. First one, guys. The first question is that, do you have any relationship between ADF and ADB or not? Direct relationship. Do you have it?
No, sir.
We have to establish the relationship. Am I right?
Yes.
How do you establish the relationship? Tell me now. Guys, we have completed the whole course. Tell me now.
Link services.
Very good. That is nothing but linked services. So here also we have to create a link service. Okay. Okay, guys.
Yes.
Now click on the manage. From the linked service, click on new. Now, guys, is it a data storage? ADB is a data storage, or it is what? Hello?
Data storage.
No, ADB is not a data storage, guys.
It's processing.
See here, if I write bricks, data bricks, if I write data bricks here, will it come?
It will be present under compute.
Yes, very good. So it is on the cluster computing technologies. Am I right? Click on the compute. Now here you have what's it? Azure Databricks. Don't select the data storages. Okay. For link services, always make sure whenever you want to create a link service for Azure Databricks, try to use it. What's it? Compute here. Okay. Click on this. Watch here. Okay. Now it is a main job here. Link service creation is the main job we have to do it. Okay. So guys, I'm using ls underscore ls underscore
Increment.
bricks underscore cluster. Some name connect to our auto resolve integration because it's cloud to cloud. You need not worry. Subscription, you have to select it here. Databricks workspace name. What is my Databricks workspace name? DurgaSoft workspace. Am I right? The same I have used for creating it. Okay. Next. So you want to use the can you say existing cluster or a new job cluster?
New job cluster.
No,
Existing.
I want to existing only because existing interactive cluster. Interactive cluster is nothing but all-purpose cluster. Am I right? Already we have created the all-purpose cluster, am I right? At the time of
What
creating this.
what cluster? I didn't get it. Can you come please?
We have already created the all-purpose cluster.
All-purpose cluster. Yeah, correct.
Already at the time of starting this ADB session, we have created it. The same I want to use it here. I don't want to create a new job cluster here. Okay. So for that, what is the way we have it? Just a minute. So guys, what is the way we have it for that? Can you see? I'm selecting the existing interactive cluster. That means the cluster which I've already created. That's it. Okay. So that's it now. So Databricks workspace URL is automatically taken up here. Not worry. If at all you wanted to access the cluster, guys, you require the authentication here. That is called as access token. We require to have what's that access token is needed here. Can you see it? How to get the access token, guys? Get this access token. That is the important thing here. Okay. How to get the access token? Let us see here. Go to this Databricks. Go to the
User settings.
yes. Go to the user settings directly.
Here, developer settings.
So just a minute. User settings. Can you see here? What is it? You have it. Display name, group name. So user setting we have been already. So go to the user settings.
I think under developers we'll be having generate token. I think
Developers, yes. Go to the developers. Here you have a access token series here. So manage, generate new token. Can you see here? This token, what is the token for? What is the token for, guys? Can you see here? Lifetime is what's that? 90 days. Okay, leave it as it is. Generate. Now, copy this. Same access token, you can also give it using the Azure Key Vault also, guys. Choose the clustering. Choose the existing cluster list. Select cluster ADB. Okay. Test the connections now. Click on the create. Okay, guys. Now click on the create. Now it is ready, guys. Everyone, it's ready now. So the link to the service for the Azure Databricks to run on the Azure Data Factory is ready. Okay. Yes, guys. Up to this here, are you clear, everyone? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, Samir. Yes, Samir.
Next, go to the author. Now create a pipeline as it is new pipeline. PL bricks, PL underscore bricks. Now here you can see under activities panel, expand the data bricks. So what is that? If you want, if you don't have it, type it Databricks. Databricks notebook. Now guys, drag and drop the notebook here. Everyone, there are some settings here. Okay. Go to the settings. Okay. First of all, go here. And now select the link service you have already created. Go to the settings now. know where this notebook path is saved. So just browse it. Under the user, you have it. Am I right? Everyone, under the users only, we'll have it mostly. Just to see. Cards underscore load type. Am I right? Everyone? This is the notebook. Yes, guys.
Yes, Samir.
So now the notebook has parameters here. Okay. Am I right? Do you have parameters or not?
Parameters.
So now defining those parameters. That's it now. So click on this parameters. So now guys, everyone, did you remember the name of the parameters? So can you see here, go to this Databricks session now. Done. Recent. Open this. These are the parameter names, guys. What's that? Load underscore type and process underscore date. Am I right? Everyone?
Yes, Samir.
These are called as the names of the parameters. Copy this. So go here. Go to this under settings. Two new parameters. One parameter is here. One more parameter you have to create it. Go copy this date. Now next one is you've copied the value. Load underscore type is what? You can give the whatever the thing you want, history or incremental. So history. And the date, what is the date you want? Guys, everyone. So just go here. What is the dates you have it? Select the date here. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes, Samir.
Paste the date here. That's it. Everyone, it's ready now. So guys, it's ready now. Now debug, guys. Now it's a pipeline debug. Now check the results here. So now history given means notebook exit with the output what's that? 15 records. So history load completed, it will give you. Am I right? Successful. Can you see it? Successful. Can you see it? Open this. Output. Open this. What's that you have it? Can you see it? History load is completed with records number is what? 15. Am I right? Got it, everyone?
No, Samir.
In the same way, if you want, instead of history, incremental. Okay. And let us use the same date here. Debug. Succeeded, guys. Go to this output. What does it says? Incremental load is completed. The number of records written is 30. Am I right? Hello.
Yes, Samir.
So this is how you can make out, guys, the integration of ADF and ADB. That's it, guys. And there is SCD, slowly changing dimensions. The video will be uploaded by the end of the day today. No worries. Okay, guys. I'll upload the video. That means I'll ask the Durgas of people to upload the video for this one. That is the slowly changing dimensions. Type 1 and type 2. Two videos will be uploaded. So the two videos duration would be around 4 hours. So you can just stream it. And if you have any doubt, you can just get back to me anytime. Okay, guys. And thank you everyone for attending this. And thanks for your support and everything. And any questions and the sample resumes and any interview questions you require it, it is already posted in the group. If not, just ping me once. I'll post it in the group, guys. Okay.
No, Samir, I think it's not posted.
Yeah, correct, Samir. It is not posted. Please
I
do
will
so.
post it. Okay. Just ping me. I'll post it up. Okay.
One more question, Samir. The videos which you have done through,
Hmm.
like just through this entire course, like for 2 months, and also, so all those videos will be available to our links, right? For like
Yeah.
6 months or something.
From now, 6 months.
Okay. Got it.
From now, it will be available for 6 months.
Thanks.
Okay, guys. Thank you, everyone. Thanks.
And if you have any queries, we can come.
You can just get back to me directly. No problem. You can just ping me on WhatsApp.
Thanks a lot. Appreciate it.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Because we'll be like learning and try to develop, probably we'll get some more queries and outcome.
Sure,
So-
sure, definitely.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, guys. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Samir.
Thank you. Bye-bye.